How to react with emojis on Instagram direct message. So first is to launch the Instagram application. Tap on the message icon located on the upper right corner. Select a conversation, and then tap and hold the text box that you want to react. So as you can see, these are the default emojis. Now once you tap the plus icon, it will reveal a various options that you can choose from. Now if you want to customize the default emojis, just tap this customize beside your reactions, and then tap on the emoji that you want to replace, and then select its replacement. Once you're satisfied with the changes made, tap the check icon located on the top right corner. Now you're able to use that emoji as your default. And so that is how you react with emojis on Instagram direct message. Thank you and have a great day.